ball game. Rebound, good. Monsera gets the ball. 15 seconds shot clock. No good. Wala ba? 3-1 kung nila. Monsera dribbling.
Benog, late na po.
Shot clock 5 seconds. Monsera drive. Shoots for 2. Wala. Rebound by Alcantara. Ano na page? Monsera dribbling the ball. 20 seconds shot clock. Fires good for 2. Monsera. Idol, Nix Caballero.
Go lang!
Team Short Kings. Team NDA. Jitlog dribbling the ball. Nangitag paagi para makascore. Crossover, sidestep, pass to Steph Curry. Good for 2. Basket is counted. Who's foul? Ripped. Foul number 2. Number 2. First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus throw for number 30.
Kung yung nagkuhan siguro.
Happy birthday sa atong BOD President, Roel Inot. Happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir Inat! Balikan na volleyball, please. Char.
Happy birthday kayo, sir. Okay, rami yung snacks, sir. Jump ka na sir. Out of bounds. Ay, wala. Turnover. Jetlog nagmamadali. Stop drives. Finds Curry. Curry, no hesitation. 3. Number 20. What a shot. Monsera dribbling the ball. Again, score 7-2 in favor of Team NDA. Danny Brown on the side. Nicky Janela.
Yo!
MJ.
Free ball na gani.
MJ fires. Who's foul ref? Foul number
Pero hindi
4.
wala niya ng pag-clear na.
First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws for MJ Alcantara. First throw.
Izo mo na kayo makita kung asa sige bugok. Kaka, di ka ba?
First throw no good.
Sila na ba?
Nevek, puntos na Nevek. Let's go Nevek.
Chuchuki, puti ko.
Second throw.
Ang ilan na coach mo?
Second throw is good.
Ilang coach, bisa kita coach nila diaon. Lagi coach mo si Jay.
Monsera dribbling the ball.
Depensa! Go, defense!
Monsera dribbling the ball. Kapit, mawa. Stop. Fires. Good for 2. Monsera. Labarang 2 points. Team NDA. 4-6. Jitlog dribbling the ball. Jitlog. Fires for 3. Wala. Out of bounds. Bula sa Team Short Kings.
Six of 4.
Dadabulabin. Kontra. Again, 20 seconds shot clock. Kevin, match up ni Eman. Monsera drives, turns it over. Finds Jitlog. Nagkakalala. Left-handed layup, no good. Nakuha ang offensive rebound. Good for 2. Oh, sige. Jitlog pass to Blue.
Go, Blanc!
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
Dribble the ball.
Bluetooth.
20 second shot clock. Fires for 3. Wala. Rebound by Monsera. Shoot. No good. Iya para rebound. Pass to number 4.
Hey!
Number 4.
Oh, tiktikal na ba sa'yo? Tiktikal gani?
Fires. Wala. Out of bounds. Bola sa pikas. Time out. Team Short Kings.
Ilo, Coach James ko. Muna ko si Choy, ma. At doon na po nilang kuhan. Also, ilo City.
Monsera dribbling the ball. Back to the ball game. 20 seconds shot clock. Monsera. Defense screen. Monsera. Stop. Finds LeBron. Steve. 30. Nakakuha ni Monsera. Monsera. Stop. Fires. Walang yapon. Rebound by Blue. Blue. Step back. Basket is good for 2. Laban ng duha.
Ay,
Team
wait.
short kicks.
Oh, dribble!
Kevin dribbling the ball. Kevin. Let's go, Kevin. Drop pass to MJ. Na-steal ni number 4. Monsera nagmamadali. Monsera. Kevin defending. Monsera fires for 3. No good. Rebound by Jitlog. 50 seconds remaining. Jitlog nagmamadali. Side step. Wala. Kuha mo niya. MJ Alcantara fires. The basket is good. Napapalakpak na lang siya.
Saba! Maaloy!
Monsera dribbling the ball.
Apoy!
15 seconds shot clock. 38 seconds remaining. Number 4 fires. Wala. Rebound by Blue. Pictos. Basket is good. Who's foul? Left. Foul number 7. Personal foul. First team foul. Bonus throw. Tayo buko. 15 seconds remaining.
Sige, binantuin.
Bonus throw, no good. Rebound by Jitlog.
Sinilas ni?
14 seconds remaining. Jitlog naging tagapasahan. 5 number 20.
May, video ko
5
din mo.
seconds remaining. Basket is good. 3 seconds remaining. 2 seconds remaining. First quarter. Paminaw mo sa
Bakit
oras.
yan to? Mabidyo, i-zoom? Ayaw po, di-zoom ka. Dapat mag-video ka.
Dire.
Kubo, kubugo.
Hey.
Away mo, Big.
What?
Ano kasi po?
Kings. Oh,
Muna mo pildi sila Ruji, kay si Kondi, si Nipin, sa po, di mo.
Zero, number 30 dribbling the ball.
Ayaw mo, Juju. Ano ko, jitlog
Wala.
eh. Walang ka, tabi.
Who's foul rep out of bounds? Number 6, nakuha. Basket is good. Good for 2 points. Oh,
Ay, ring.
Team NDA. Number 1, Wembin Yama. Fires, no good. It's good for 2.
Wala ko na cheer niya. Ay, hindi.
Jitlog dribbling the ball, 15 seconds shot clock. Finds number 7. Number 7, Teardrop. Teardrop is good. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Shot clock.
Hey!
3-pointer is good.
Kanibin.
Huh? Sabok? Sabaan, mabukoy, mabukot, huwag ka na mabukot.
Ay,
Out of bounds. Nami score dire. Ikaw na yung tempo. Ipaan, mabukoy. Nami lista dire mo. Gimana mo? Si Awan, man. Number 7, dribbling the ball. No. Puto na butangay. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Nagmamadali. Side step. Good for 2. Again, labang ugupat. Team short kicks.
ko, bulan, ipin.
Ball but the cherry ball. Number 30, dribbling the ball. Pass to Itlog. Itlog. Stop. Fires for 3.
Okay na, naka-highlights.
Again, we're scoring.
Pema, Char.
Sa Nalabaw, team short kicks. Number 1, pass to number 2. Side step. What a move. But the basket is not good. Itlog. Stop. So when is second shot clock? 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Itlog. Stop again. Drive. Floater. No good. Rebound number 6. Power move. Nagkalisot ng itang kapasahan. 5 Itlog. It's gonna be a 3 seconds violation. mula sa team short kicks.
Sila ayat.
Number 1, Wembenyama, dribbling the ball. Wemby, drop pass to Yumi. Yumi, fakes. Nagkagtuyok. Mangita ka pa sa rebound ni Dinoy. Kuya Dinoy, wala.
Basa!
Number 6.
Basa!
Pass to number 20, Jimmy Alapag. On number 30, Jimmy Alapag behind the back. Isolation crossover. Fire for 2. Jimmy Alapag, good for 2. Labaw ko sa Team NDA. Small but ball. Magsibox din dyan. Panating ngayon, ano lang. Pato. Bakit ka gito? Tambong na lang. Number 2, fire for 2. Wala. Juan Itlog. Itlog, rebound. 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Itlog, times number 6 drops. It's gonna be an out of bounds. Mula sa team, short kicks. Again, the ball team in DA. 2 minutes remaining. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Putsera finds Yumi. Steal by Alcantara, pero wala. Putsera. 20-second shot clock. Wemby, wala move. Good for 2. Sing Anna boy. Time out Anna boy.
Kumalma.
Gigo, gigo mo ako.
Bunol. Choy!
Warning team, sunod lang team, NDA. Warning for technical. Inyong post, samok kayo.
Labaw!
Hey!
Good!
Ano ka
Best minutes got it. Foul number 6, first personal foul, first team foul.
Yeah!
Time out, team NDA. Bonus throw.
Choy kay Buki.
Let's go. Bonus throw for number 2.
Kausa pa.
Second na ni.
Yeah, back to the ball game na.
Second na.
Maybe mo sila sa Cortez.
Bonus throw for number 2. Again, that's a 4-point play. No good. Rebound by number 7, Jitlog. 39 seconds remaining, Jitlog. What a move. Floater is good. Laban na lang to team short kicks. 30 seconds remaining. Wembenyama dribbling the ball, number 1. 5. Wazena, good for 2. 25-21, Labaw Kapat team, short kicks. Jimmy Alapag dribbling the ball. Jimmy Alapag finding a way. Jimmy Alapag, drop pass to MJ. Wala. Rebound kay Dinoy. 5 Punsena, 3 seconds remaining. 2 seconds. That's the end of our second quarter. What a shot for number 2. Let's go back to the ball game. Number 2. Wembenyama. Pass to. Wala ko kita. Oy, kaliyong ba? Malingkod mo sa inyong bench ba? Warning for technical na mo. Ganaan mo, technical mo. Ikaw, coach mo na dira. What's the call, ref? It's gonna be 3 seconds violation. Mula sa team NDA. Again, Labaw Pinto ang team short kicks. Let's go. Jimmy Alapag by Idol. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Jitlog. Nagitag kabasahan. Pass to Jimmy Alapag again.
Panauga na guna siya. Hello.
Nakuha ni number 6 by Jimmy Alapag again. Shot na 5 seconds. 5 for 3. Curry. Wala. Rebound by Jitlog. Jitlog. Wala gyapon. Rebound by Wembenyama. Wembenyama nagmamadali. Good for 2, Wembenyama. 8-point lead. 9-point lead, sorry. 9-point lead for Team Short Kicks. Jitlog, no hesitation, 3, 5.
Hey!
Number 7, good for 3. It loud. 6-point lead, Team Short Kicks. Number 1, Wemby. Pass to Lucena. Back to Wembenyama again. Drive. Strong move. No good. Who's foul? Ref. Foul number 7. Second personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws. Tuloy.
Parang madali sa'yo bitawa. Hala-hala na wala lang sa'yo palibasa.
First throw, no good. Second throw, no good. Jitlog dribbling the ball. Again, shout out to Nicky Fierce. Salamat sa pa-highlights, idol. I love you. Jitlog fires, no good. Wala. Rebound by number 6. 10 second shot clock. Fires, wala yapon. Rebound ni Bluetooth. Bluetooth finds Wembenyama. 24 second shot clock. Jimmy Lapag, nagaliso na.
Traveling!
Foul. Foul,
Ay.
Jimmy Lapag, number 20. First personal foul, second team foul. No shooting foul. Bakit nasasaktan? Ano? Blue finds Wemby. Wemby fires, no good. Rebound by number 6. Meralco Bonds. Number 20, Steph Curry. Kita kapasahan. Who's foul? Ref. Foul number 2. Second personal foul. First team foul. Let's go. Back to the ball game, guys. GBL Pack number 20, dribbling the ball. 3 minutes remaining for third quarter. Jitlog, bigitag paagi. Fires for 3, no good. Rebound by Wemby. Pass to Munseda, pero nakakuha na yung Munseda, nagmamadali. Drop pass and jump. 2-pointers, good. Layup is good, sorry. Jitlog, 24 second shot clock. Shot. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Jitlog, bigitag paagi. Jitlog, crossover. Finds number 20, fakes, hesitates. Balik, and it's gonna be a 3 seconds violation. Substitution in, out, in. Shout out to my idol, number 15, Namo Imanski. Number 1, pass to Miguel, LeBron James. Back to number 2, but that's gonna be a foul. Timeout. ND8, foul number 20. Munseda, pass to Wembenyama. 1 minute and 56 seconds remaining. Wembenyama, drop pass. Number 3, fakes, shoots, good for 2, easy 2 points. Number 2. Steph Curry, pass to number 7. Jitlog. Itag paagi si Jitlog. Wala. Drive. Yansak. Wala. Yapon. Iyag. Yapon rebound. Nakuha ni Lebron. Jitlog yapon. Wag yapon. Nakuha yapon. Panaplin niya. Wala. Nagpapalawin na. Number 1. What a fake. Pero wala. Rebound na number 20. Steph Curry. Jimmy Lapag. Get the ball. Jimmy Lapag. Nagbabalali. Stop and pop. Good. Wala na eh. Nakuha ni Jitlog. Strong move. Wala. Rebound na number 6. Shoots for 2. Wala gyapon.
Saan naman ako eh?
Number 1. Nagbabalali. 58 seconds. Having the backcourt to number 1. Finds Munseda. Crossover layup. No good. Rebound by number 6. Finds Steph Curry. That's the Jitlog. Rebound. Paggaling ito. Jitlog, drop pass. Wala gyapon. Bluetooth secures the ball. Wemby, 30 seconds remaining. Wembenyama stop behind the back. Pass to the center. Wala. Rebound by number 6. 24 seconds remaining. Jimmy Alapag, behind the back. Jimmy Alapag! By Jimmy Alapag. 10 seconds remaining. Again, Labaw, 26-34, short kings. 5 seconds remaining. Wembin Yama, nagbabala late, good for 2. And that's the end of our third quarter. Labaw na po, short kings. Turkit. Tignan yun, bawal lang may kontra. Kana, NBA na, NBA.
Asa nibig?
Jimmy Alapag dribbling the ball. 15 seconds, shot clock. Jimmy out. Jitlong, ihansak. Wayapon.
Agay!
Wala. Pass to number 6,
Agay!
Rebound by Jitlong again. Wala yapon, Jitlong yapon. And it's good for 2. Wembin Yama. Di na magulo. Jitlong, 5 over 4. Steal by number 20. Nabakalala. Pass to number 6, easy 2 point. Score 30-36. Unong round na ball sa short kicks. Number 4, pass. Pass to Blue. Steal by Jitlong. Nabakalala. Pass to Jimmy Alapag. Jimmy Alapag fires. Wala. Rebound by number 6. Number 6 strong move. Good for 2. Nabakalala. Team short kicks. Wemby, pass to number 4. Back to Wemby. 10 seconds, shot clock. Wemby, what a pass. Out of bounds.
Kani ba?
Substitution and out.
What's your number?
Basa bulan
What's your number? Kaya mag-send ko 150.
Let's go. Shout out Lance Nicole Ventura. Move. Number 20, 30, dribbling the ball. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 20, wow, move. 5 for 3, no good. Rebound by Monceda. Monceda, nagbaba ng legs si Monceda. Left hand and right, good. Jitlong, long pass to Jimmy Alapag. Jimmy Alapag takes over, step back fires. But that's a foul, loose foul. Foul number 1. First personal foul, first team foul. Again, 4-point lead, team short kicks. First throw for Jimmy Alapag. First throw, no good. Second throw, no good. Wemby, nagmamadali. Hapit na tumba si Jimmy Alapag. Wemby, wanna move, good for 2. 6-point lead, balik, team short kicks. 3 minutes remaining. Last quarter. Jitlong. Pass to number 12.
Hey!
Monceda pass to Wembin Yama. 3 minutes remaining, 15 seconds shot clock. Number 2, extra pass to number 4 at 25. Dinoy fires, wala. Rebound by number 6. Jimmy Alapag gets the ball. Jimmy Alapag. Jimmy crosses over. Fires for 2, wala. Rebound by Monceda, number 2. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Pass to number 4. Balik ni number 20, Steph Curry, out of bounds. Bula team short kicks. Monceda. Lil Davy, salamat kayo Lil Davy.
Ano ka ba ang video ay?
Number 2, hesitates. Euro step, basket is no good. Stop. Number 7, number 7, Jitlong, good for 2. Number 1, Wembin Yama, something in. Wemby, good for 2, Wembin Yama. Again, score 34-40. Labao, Team Short Kings. 6-point lead. Jimmy Alapag, crossover, isolation. Pass to Jitlog, wide open for three. Wala. Rebound by Jimmy Alapag. Shoots. Good. Wala. Yapon. Rebound by number 4. Bluto. Number 3. Finds number 1. Good. For 2
Nice,
by number
Kaji.
1. Jitlog dribbling the ball. 1 minute and 20
Shoot
seconds
3
remaining.
speed.
Number 7. Teardrop is good. And Team Short Kick. Again, under 1 minute remaining for the last quarter. LeBron James. LeBron James. Number 25. Good for 2. 36-44. Nabawag yan po ng Short Kicks. Jitlo. Gitag Paagi. 50 seconds remaining. Curry fires for 2. Wala. Rebound by Bluetooth. Steal by Curry. Curry strong move. Jimmy Alapag fakes. Shoots. Wala. Rebound by number 25. Dinoy. Pass to Wembenyama. 30 seconds remaining. Again, 25 seconds remaining. Number 2, Montserrat. Pass to Yumi. Lagi dito. Squad na Miguel, Miguelito. LeBron James. 15 seconds remaining. Out of bounds. Same ball. Again, congratulations Daan, Team Short Kings. 10 seconds remaining for fourth and last quarter. Congratulations both teams. Let's go. Yard, yard, yard. Number 7, Jitlog gets the ball. Wala. 5 seconds remaining. Jitlog fires a long three. Wala. Rebound ni Jitlog. Yapon.
Wala yapon.
Fourth quarter. Congratulations, team. Short Kings. Standing 2-1. Again, Team Sin City, MJC Medical Supply. Let's go.
Kung ikaw nakasama